Welcome to the class, student. Today we are revising the next concept in analysis of univariate data, that is how we have to calculate the missing frequency for mean and median. Okay, let's solve the problems on mean first. Take down the problem first. Given mean is equal to 30.5 for the following distribution, find the missing frequency. First one is X, F, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 8, 10, 15, 7. So this is the data they have given. Here the missing value is for 30 value X, for the X30 frequency we don't know. I'll take this frequency as A. Now you take the total of this. So the total of this N is equal to 40 plus A. Next you have to find Fx. Okay, to find Fx it is 80, 200, 30A, 600, 350, and you take the total of this summation of Fx total, it is 1230 plus 30A. While we are adding this, we will add all the numbers and I'll take A as plus A as it is, and while we are adding Fx also, we should add all the numerical part and 30A will remain as it is. Next is to find X bar. The formula is X bar is summation of Fx by N. Here they have given X bar, that is mean is 30.5. This is 30.5, substitute the values, and Fx total is 1230 plus 30A, and N is equal to 40 plus A. Okay. After this, the next step is simplification. Simplification is very important procedure. First you have to take the cross multiplication for this. First you have to take the cross multiplication, so that it is 30.5 into 40 plus A is equal to 1230 plus 30A. Take 30.5 into 40, it is 1220 plus 30.5 is equal to 1230 plus 30A. I will shift this 30.5 to this side and this to this side. So 30.5A, 30.5A. I'll shift this to 30A to left side. This positive will become negative, that is 30A, and this 1230 remain as it is, and I'll shift 1220 to right side and this positive will become negative after shifting. So the difference between this is 0.5A is equal to 10 and A is equal to 10 divided by 0.5. So A is equal to 20. So your missing frequency is equal to 20. Missing frequency is 20. Next, this is frequency. We have find out the missing frequency for rare data, discrete type of data. If we go for continuous data, what is the procedure? Let's see that. Okay. Here the mean value is, that is X bar is equal to 45. X bar is equal to 45. So that I will write the class interval first. Class interval is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. And the frequencies are 5, 8, 7. A is nothing but our missing frequency, 28, 20, 10, 10. Since this is a class interval problem, we have to find out the midpoint. that is x. So to find the midpoint, we know the procedure, that is we have to take the difference between the lower limit and the upper limit and divide it by 2. So that the value is 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. Next is, since the values are bigger, so I'll go with the deviation method. So to find d dash, that is x minus a by c, here a is equal to the least value, that is 5, and c is equal to width of the class interval, that is 10. So that it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, after finding d dash, the next step is we have to find the f into d dash. F into d dash means frequency into d dash, it is 0, 8, 14, 3 into a, it is 3a, 112, 100, 60, 70. Take the total of this and here this frequency also, so that n is equal to 85 plus a, and this total is 364 plus 3a. Okay. The next step is we have to go for the calculation. So x bar is equal to a plus summation f d dash by n into c. So x bar, substitute the values first so that you can simplify easily. So here x bar value is 45 and a value we know, that is 5. Summation f d dash is 364 plus 3a and n value is 85 plus a, and this c is equal to 10. You shift this to this side. So 45 minus 5 is equal to, multiply this 10 with the numerator, that is 3640 plus 3 into 10, it is 30a, divided by 85 plus a. After taking the, after subtraction, it will be 40 is equal to 3640 plus 30a divided by 85 plus a. Take the cross multiplication again, so that the value is 3400 plus 40a is equal to 3640 plus 30a. Shift this 30 to this side and this one to this side, so that the values are 40a minus 30a is equal to 3640 minus 3400. This is 10a is equal to 240, or a is equal to 240 divided by 10. So a is equal to 24. So for this missing frequency is a is equal to 24. This is how we have to calculate the missing frequency for mean, using mean value. Next we will solve another problem on missing frequency on median. Okay. Here the median value is 39. So first I'll write the class interval. this is the problem they have given. For this problem we have to find the missing frequency. I'll consider this missing frequency as A. So using this median we have to find the missing frequency. So first step is we have to find the LCF. We have to find the LCF. I'll write down the LCF values. First one will be as it is, that is 12. 12 plus 30 it is 42. 42 plus 34 76. 76 plus 65 141. And 141 plus A. 141 plus 25 is 166 plus A. 166 plus 18 184 plus A. So our N value is also 184 plus A. Next is median is equal to N plus N by 2 minus CF by F into C. Here the median value they have given, that is 46. To find out that LCF, CF and all, we have to see this 46 in which interval it comes. 46 will comes in the interval 40 to 50. So I will block this one. So that our lower limit is 40. N by 2 we can calculate here. CF means this previous one and frequency will be this one, and C is width of the class interval, that is 10. Substitute the values. So that 46 is equal to 40 plus N by 2 is 184 plus A divided by 2 minus CF is 76 divided by F. F is equal to 65 into 10. So I will shift this to this side. So 46 minus 40 is equal to 184 by 2. 184 by 2 is 92 plus A by 2 minus 76 divided by 65 into 10. So this 6 into, I will cross multiply this one, 6 into 65 is equal to 92 minus 76 is 16 plus A by 2 multiply by 10. So 6 into 65 is 390 is equal to 16 into 10 is 160 plus A by 2 into 10, A by 2 into 10, 2 1s are 2 5s are. So 390, I will shift this to this side, it is minus 160 is equal to 5A, and A is equal to 230 divided by, 5A is equal to 230, A is equal to 230 divided by 5. So A value is equal to 46. So this is your missing frequency. See, this missing frequency topic is very important for your final examination, because you will get one particular problem on this concept, whether it can be from mean or it can be from median. Okay, thank you.